Hi guys, how are you? My name is Sardar Tayyab and today topic is ROM. ROM stand for real only memory. Let's start it. Read only memory. Read only memory is a type of non-volatile memory that permanently store data even when power is turned off. Here are some key aspects of ROM. First is definition. ROM is a type of memory that can be only be read on, not written or modified. Data is permanently stored in ROM during the manufacturing process. Second is types: masked ROM, MROM, programmable ROM, PROM, programmable ROM, EPROM, electrical erasable programmable ROM, EEPROM, flash ROM. Third is characteristic. Non-volatile, meaning data in retained when power is turned off. Permanent storage cannot be modified or deleted. Fast access time similar to RAM. 4 is function. Storage framework, boot code, and low level system software used for storing configuration, data setting, and collaboration tables used in embedded system, appliance, and consumer electronic. 5 is adventure, permanent storage, non risk of data loss, fast access times, low power consumption. 6 is disadvantage, data cannot be modified or upload, limited storage capacity compared to other memory technologies. Here are some additional advanced topics related to ROM. First is ROM programming. Method for programming ROM, such as masking programming and field programming. Tools and software used for ROM programming. Second is ROM security, techniques of securing ROM against authorized access or modification. Secure boot mechanism and firmware validation. Third is ROM compression methods for compressing data in ROM to reduce storage requirement. Algorithm and techniques used for ROM compression. 4 is ROM encryption, techniques for encrypting data in ROM to protect against unauthorized access, encryption algorithms, and key management. 5 is ROM and firmware updates, methods for updating firmware stored in ROM, secure firmware update mechanism and protocols. 6 is ROM and hardware security, techniques for integrating ROM with hardware security mechanism, using ROM to store and manage cryptography keys and secure data. 7 is ROM and emerging technologies, technologies using ROM in emerging technologies such as IoT and AI and autonomous system. Advantage and challenges of using ROM in this application. Types of ROM: MROM, masked ROM, PROM, programmable ROM, EPROM, erasable programmable ROM, EEPROM, electrically erasable programmable ROM, flash ROM. um, ROM encryption, techniques for encrypting data in ROM to protect against unauthorized access, encryption algorithms, and key management. 5 is ROM and firmware updates, methods for updating firmware stored in ROM. ROM and firmware updates. Methods for updating firmware stored in ROM.